How is the infinite geometric series form derived? If the combination r is between -1 and 1, then the infinite geometric series s is equal to the first term a sub 1 divided by 1 minus the common ratio r. From the finite geometric series, we have s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Let's take the limit as n approaches infinity to both sides. Now on the right side of the equal sign, we're taking the limit as n approaches infinity. The only variable that has n is this r to the power n. So let's take a little side note. If r is between 0 and 1, then what is the limit as n approaches infinity of r to the power n? Here's a graph with the horizontal axis to be n and the vertical axis to be r to the power n. If we graph it, we'll notice the value is going to be positive. And then as n gets larger and larger, we notice that r to the power n is getting smaller and smaller until we eventually approaches 0. Well, what about if r is between -1 and 0? Then what is its limit as n approaches infinity of r to the power n? Well, here's the graph again. This time we'll notice that the graph is going to alternate between positive and negative, and it's getting closer and closer to 0. For those wondering about what happened to r equals 0, well, for a geometric series, r is not equal to 0, as well as r is not equal to 1. Now back to the problem. So from our side note, then on the left side we have the limit as n approaches infinity s and n is s sub infinity. On the right side, the limit as n approaches infinity of the whole thing. We know the r to the power n is just approaching 0, so we have a sub 1 times 1 minus 0 over 1 minus r. Left side, s infinity, mouthful, so we can abbreviate it to just s. Right side, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 times a sub 1 is a sub 1. So we have s is equal to a sub 1 divided by 1 minus r. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.